Okay guys, welcome back again. This is the second part of the video as we are reacting and responding to some of the clips, voice notes of Biafrans discussing a way forward and sharing their own ideas different from, even though they are coming from different group of people. One are those who want to destroy IPOB or Biafran movement, while the others are those who want to, restore Biafra at all cost. Now listen.
Ya contribute ya do ya contribute ya nsogbu adọ ya contribute ya ekwesịrị inwe peace na baye nkịta na ebe ji onye ndụ anyị eji anyị nwetago freedom. Simon contribute ya, even to me say for he is not doing well on a ọ ka na-eme ebere eche m na ọ ka dị more dangerous than onye ndu ya contribute ya jeje kwụọ ụdọ or you just, you can watch 3 years unu ga stop ya that you guys are going to bring him down. How far? Okana works quite strong na agakwa tomorrow if you go to on the wrong channel.
Now this is a response to the guy, the voice note that the early part of the first part of this video. So if you have not watched the first part, please watch it and follow up with this second part. And let me use the opportunity and plead on you. I just want to beg you to subscribe, okay, like this video and share it to many groups or many platforms of your choice. It is necessary that you do so because this conversation will help you to understand the genuine mindset of an average Biafrans. These are people who are not key members of any of the group, but they are just Biafrans like me and you. But the problem is that one of the group, which is US members, always love to threaten people's life and to tell you that government will do this, you are going to face this and do that. So that kind of threat is something that everybody should condemn because we have freedom of speech. So there's no need for you to start threatening lives and all that. Now listen.
Within 3 months or 6 months, will be the course and very soon I get bring you down. How many years now? I didn't just see it.
Blah blah blah. I want any of your family member monemia. You water the pains of Ndin Kefamuguanemia. Omeonian Bosoma Libya. We all know I enjoy the happy.
It's a lie. It's a lie. You're not happy. You guys stop lying.
Nah, to be honest, you're going to be so I told me your voice note, but who gonna Bacasmanti because in a coily, in a cocoon, you see a drum. Simon the Insecurity na anibo. In my mob even the good rubbish is no apata. Getting good anibo safe heaven.
I tell you.
Even in the whole Nigeria in general. If you not go or Simon but all these roadblocks didn't need an anibo. Can you know you give the same never money who Tamnani would siege before Lee Kafia, before Simon never music. Could have an aquary. No brought this way, which way? Getting kill him, never an aquary, an animal. You put all for Nakorobish. Walking never a mail when you also may, not at skate here, not going.
If you can be there, you join them. All of my family member will name me, but then you, that his family member, all near. Then do your worst.
This is Biafrans responding to that very guy that made a voice note saying that PM is living somewhere in Europe and they commanding you to do this and do that. That he's living life, that kind of the normal way of propaganda. This is a primary level of it, but you are going to hear more of the response from Biafrans. Listen.
What can you do? Or if you can tell now, or you know, on social media, they create division among the buyer, the buyer naga. Instead of when I forgot no name, we are no when I join the hand. Kita na boss Nigerian government na buy him, but all no about ISA and I saw of us na fana achufu ofuano. Ngena wande go bale e chuano na officer na okodo kokwan. Kedi force ge no ho boba maka o jide bo o to. It was na ko iri mara ga de ko go one near you put you sense go your brother Wolonia family member go war. If a man say money, what have you done to stop him? You cannot. So why can't you just close your mouth if you cannot join him? I'm not go again. I just want to the bitter truth, so you can rant as much as you like. It's none of my business. And so.
Now listen, because I want to start it from the beginning. Listen.
Now we forgive we go support go there. Ono ayi na ko eri fa we support go there. No but Nigeria ba making Nigeria is a country.
So he's responding to the the video that the voice note that this guy made, where he said that PM have not come back to Nigeria, that's why people love Mazamukana, that from time to time Mazamukana will do visit. And he forgot that each of the visits of Mazamukana, he ended up in prison or in detention. The primary purpose of these ones is just to lure PM to see if they can say that, okay, PM was okay, let me prove to you that I am like Mazamukana, I'm going to Nigeria, and he landed. And they will do the same thing they normally do. But they are so myopic.
Also, me I go on there. In a cocoon you buarisi. Oh no, I wouldn't get flanny to us limefa. The good finish sitting on apple. Business is not an apple. Business is not an apple. Oh, business is not an Igbo. It's your fear. Akuri, animal. In a bit of say that I don't blame you. All talk as about TKC, man. You might find out freedom. When you open now, my find out freedom. Getting to know no can say that Nisia drogging man. The amount of freedom does not come with silver platter. You have to sacrifice something. Obron dem at no mafia. No face all these terrorists. Obona sig start home. You will problem for that. In a big business. K business in Nanibo. Or with business at Nanibo, which are one landlock. Randrock cannot do no easy. I want to take you go that west. Can you see man the cannon fight for? I know how the Kaduna. You put on a platform in Akoiri. We share the home. Simon and I will not be there. I know here.
I'll get it very stupid. You are a madman. It's very stupid by saying all those things.
So Biafrans are not taking it lightly. Just keep listening.
Before now, Igbo can demand before now all this insecurity and a group and not to get your man. In our mass. All because of all these things, Simon will be my blood blocking a cook to a better.
So he want to repeat, he want to prove, to explain more things that he felt, what he felt about the response that Biafrans are giving to him. So he quickly want to say something about roadblock, and he forgot that people knows what happened, how Mazamukana was, commenting and hammering on that issue of roadblock. It did not start because of PM, but hear the lies and falsehood of these people. Listen.
All because of all these things, Simon will be my blood blocking a cook to a batani.
So what this guy is telling you that you don't experience, nobody experience have issue with a roadblock. We don't have anything roadblock in our land, in Igbo land at all before. So the roadblock started after PM joined in 2019. So if you check back 2018, 2017, 16, 2015, 2014 downwards, nothing like roadblock in Biafra land. But he is following Mas Nnamdi Kanu according to him. Now the question is, when Mas Nnamdi Kanu was going from state to state in Biafra land, how many of you remember that he countered a lot of checkpoints on his way to Ebonyi State? How many of you remember that he countered a lot of roadblock on his way to Enugu State? How many of you remember that he encountered a lot of roadblock on his way to Ihuocha? To the extent that Master Kanu said that there was a time that these people nearly by him in one of the checkpoints. So, my people, if you are following the news or what the Biafran activities all this while, you must have known in fact, you're supposed to know your left or right. I'm not here to tell you that violence is the best way. I don't support violence. I don't support killing of any type. But I hate lies. You understand? So I'm writing on this just to tell you that they are lying against Biafran Prime Minister. That is one thing you need to understand. And listen.
I got them into the system. Mother, I'm abụghị m onye nọtasị m maọbụ onye ya bụ ọzọ ejesị nke ọ fụrụ na soshal midia ka ọ na-ekwu na ha ma aka akụ soshal midia ọnụ nwa so na ndị na-aka akụ soshal midia ihe na-aka ọsọsọ nke na soshal midia ajụọ ebe obido kịta na ka ndị ima mmanwe ebe obido ihe na-adị ọzọ na na-akọfụsị akọfụ so ọ bụrụ na ịma ihe ihe egwu dị nọ na zuo ike anyị ma ebe obido yes anyị ma ebe obido ọ bụrụ na onye a na-anọfụ ilu n'obi ndị Igbo n'obi ọ bata Naijiria ọbata n'Igbo ọtụ eji malụ dike ọ bụla ịdọ n'obe ndị ọzọ isi nne na-achọ Biafra bata n'Igbo ife ndị mmadụ ji wee kana regard Nnamdi Kanu as a good man and somebody bụ ndị Igbo n'obi bụ because of his impact.
And remember, there's no office in Igbo called IPOB office. There's no office in Igbo called DOS office. So today you see them criticizing Biafra government in exile, but in their own group on what they believe on, they don't have any single or physical office standing to represent them in Biafra land or in Igbo. It is always, cut and join activities. They want. This is not to undermine the work of Master Nnamdi Kanu. I'm talking about people who want to use, this kind of thing to incite example to tell you that we are not doing anything, that they themselves can do better and all that. But if you pay attention, you understand that they are lying to themselves. Listen.
One or two things. Yes. Don't want
I don't even want to lecture the guy concerning that one because of my argument. I'm tired of arguing with these people, these criminals, non POS. Because how my father name, they know what they are doing. So go and put an idea, educate them on election on what they already know is more like wasting your time and energy. So I don't have that patience to start going. Insecurity than even Nigeria, I'm not talking about only Eastern region. Even Mambuyan before take over the struggle. There has been always insecurity. Because their plan did not work. Plan on that just to silence this struggle. Saturday was rich. Imanogo was rich. Was rich. Namada Pasquanalo was rich. Madaba is in a demand my forfeit. Oye Jidel Tesi Jidamas and Nandekan, the next thing they call all his commanders with the help of Andy Uba. Good and Alabo now click here bonus. Look at your commanders. Why can't you surrender and take money? He has no choice because of commander have power. Your commanders bow your power because these men they are not physically strong. No matter how strong you are, can you win a government? So he has to surrender. The same style catches email Mazin Nandekano. For Haman Mazin Nandekano, it takes you time. There was a time he was himself that he want to drop the struggle. Or the thing Troy Priala. Open Israel. So he has to about the reason why God created him. We take it and stood there where Ojuku and Wazirike failed. He brought out something like IPOB. Then these people are not going to DOS or hand over. However, Soludo, with the help of Soludo, I got breaching as a woman and do here. A West design and another political solution. They never knew that somebody like Master Simon Eba would spring up. This explanation is very clean and clear. So, I got on Maria and does Egyptian Gracia. Argument. They know all this, so you don't argue with these people. If you feel like you want to talk to them, you give them the venom and allow them. Let them go and stop Simon Eba. Very simple. If you want to feel now, power, I just stop Simon Eba.
Because now when a madman talk, we know. Bob on you said the home we know. Because they had so a lot of the buy to table on your on ground in a book, but you are talking rubbish. He sometimes a voice note, he don't get voice note, he back a man or make sense. Not calling you police. Must be fair. You must be fair. On your not outside Nigeria, not outside Nigeria, I short a business with them for 2 weeks, for 1 month. On a web on them making his own money. If they are not really going to be however, the Nigerian government is after the was and deep believe. Because almost some things you have a matter like this, you have to reason well. Kaki is well knowledge to your own business. You have made those who are so over there. It was a man on Kakanji, much more to have for 2 weeks. For your own interest and for my own interest. It's all I may or for my Nigeria. It's short to your own time, a short to my own time. I'm all yes, now we are going to get.
I didn't talk freedom. Now go again. Not me talk among you, they hear them.
Okay, for all hand in a pro, or if I have a problem, the woman. Yeah, but problem the woman. A bay Siri, a by Siri. If any in a bay go for no one. There's no freedom. The Quebec Siri. Now they cannot go on for. If not, they cannot go on for. That's why I'm not JJ Tolo. You know, because all know about the freedom, Ujafo Blues of first, freedom fighters. Or if Anna Bono, DDOS, call POS, Kana Bono, Ujafo Blues, or you consume Julian and the Cano. Then you can fight here for the Quibem Siri. But all mother no need me there. 64 years, Mazin and the Cano, no need me almost 4 years now, not half. Go on, Rabana CBC. There's no dying of a fight for freedom. A billion man, the kind of mebunum. Fear. I should make a tricky man. I'm more than not to myself, not get a ambassador, gay your voice of man. Where you rise or not. Now, I can do it to a game. This guy now bought his money. And Kizen Kala in Argentina. Kibaya Wana Bopa page man. The way can be in August. And I'm going to move come on what I can name. For sure.
If you kiss about you, the second deal on Makago, I go see an agrona or your run deal on Agu. I'm an odo, the Iowa Talam of Kamana. As any bonus, no man, or my brother, Mazo, what is money? I'm not going to the point. I'm not cheating because more I come there myself exit from their platform. It was in diaspora because I did defended US, POS now. So the thing anger issue. I just have to exit myself from the platform. Papalipa for any man ever, Papalipa never. You got for lawyer gel creek, yokum, Papalipa Mazi. Oh, yeah, to go check Coaca, oh, Papalipa. Oh, and I can enjoy a see a man. Mas what is money, but at a point, I know it is that don't do what mas what is money. As non at alibi, I am alone or don't do. Oh, we believe no what if again here. Then, Papa Jimano, we are. On kita go dia bamani anapa sini ko argument ados ya and by ready for freedom ready for freedom akwadote and go because I may freedom without freedom is taken, it's not given. Nobody will give you your freedom, you have to take it by yourself. So at a point Papa Jima stopped talking on the platform because for how long I can make that argument I think 2 weeks or 1 month, Papa Juma stopped on a platform. I also existed myself from all the platform. Recently, I'm the one that was for Simon Yapanem. Or the Kayabo one happy. Personally, for the tea, I took them back now. It was a new platform. We was at home in diaspora. It's more like an autopilot platform than like another platform. So, my brother, to answer your question correctly, he was lawyer, but an Akokana career. I am a money more. Oh, you do get the last broadcast before his abduction. Also, I was women. There are no more men in the Biafra land. So, here I know the back corner boy was that, So, my brother, I never know him as a Simon about the 2nd of December. I'm going to know who you as long as no.
Ibudu nashi. Mazi chukwe meka. Annem limeritria. Oh, dobuke wonnam. Moshine. Ibudu nashi. Ebule woke malumma. Mazi weka mwazelu. Bododi. I am go all me fenda mo. I don't blame you, all the only category we are. No, is a good ike. Yeah, but I go to family on a quarter. But then I'm going to find if I need whom about just phone a kind of I'm an only born a canal, because my Korean car there, but I call 2 or not. Or you got from each year, because you're on all me and I'm going to let's be like this, Jenna pass the time. Paparepa, I'm a morning car now. Paparepa, no, onion car now, while I can moto. Say, before who Paparepa of Anthony in the POS. Haponia, no, Paparepa Chalaja. It requires now a Colobagano or Colobadana. But we don't it. I'm happy to hear your voice again. What I'm going to attack, I also wait on our side. The mono just change your location. So decide I can go as no Coco Pata. Neighbor my whole until Yamazula and was the Okunabo. So I cause enjoy the quiet. Na platform since I'm about to get everything at the Gonoma, Gododi. Came a coach in number jog. I didn't mind who's more in Kawa. You can work.
As I look at you, good say, good one guy named After for them. I forgot to give me what your voice good to say if I got man who can keep what to you. So you could see a platform opening as long as now, no, if I Biafran, I feel weak. One day, put ever I could see, can I know people because we are so if the thing about no go as long as need to show if you know who is open. One now, go read the you can week. Oh, God is happier. So I'll put the POS as well. I get mentioned at the end, the one this so the channels are all her. Chike dozie ma wele Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Of our ga-emecha keta oke na they will receive their reward at the end of the day. Ọ bụla na bai a reward ha mgbe eziokwu pụtara ife anyị wa ga-eji aka anyị reward ha ka dị satin ma some of this their WhatsApp warriors ndị iri asaa jụrụ ebe a dịka nke anyị na ya na-ekwu amala m ife ọsọ na ebe afịa ụdị ndị ahụ a na-abụ recharge card 5,000 after na platform they defend evil ndị a ga-emechi kete oke ha one way or the other, believe you me. So my brother, platform ọbụla m chekwara as long as no ife Igbo dị concern awụpụta ebe a new arọ adameji ofu ụkwa akwụgodo mana ịnụgodokwa oke na ọkụkọ bịa ebe ọ na-amara na weregodo ofu ụkwụ ọmatasị ya na ọzọdozi ụkwụ abụnada wee na-atụ nne ka na awụ uwe mana mụọ kịta nke m bụ m batara ka o si dum n'obi ka m si chọọ ka anyị were Biafra ebe ọbụla m batara etiwara m ụsọsọ okwu m na-ekwu ebe a sef onye ọbụla amara ebe na-agụ batara ada egwu nna anyị need freedom m nkịta nke echi. I don't want to compromise with it. Achọrọ m ịdị economic with the truth. Ife na-achọbụ ka ebido ọgụ since Nigeria ekwesịrị ịnọ in peace na ada ekwesịrị peaceful Nigeria dị ka eji eme Maazị Simon Ekpa accuse were ife ọzọ ọ bụ na ọ na-ada gbumgbumgbu ma ebe nyere nkịta na were ga-enwe chansị ịpụta bịara ya na-eme accuse. You defend your land. If you kwana n'ọzọ ka ị ga-alụlọ you go to them anyị agbalụgo ya na rubbish nne m ọ ga-abalụgo.
Okay, my people, thank you so much for your time, for listening to all this video, for spending your time. It is very, very nice. And please, don't forget to share this message and comment. Tell us what you think about all we have discussed so far in comment section. God bless you as you do so. Happy weekend to you all. Bye-bye for now.